Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use AI cartoon generator on the Vidnoz AI website. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to go to the Vidnoz AI website, and after going there, simply we have to create our account, and after account creation, we have to go to the option which is called AI tools options, and after that, we need to go this option which is called AI cartoon generator. We have to open this. So I'm going to open this in a new link. Now let's move to this, and now simply we have to upload our image, and after uploading our image, the cartoonish version will be created. So let's choose the picture, which picture we want to upload. For example, I'm going to upload this image here. So now we have to click on the generate, and after clicking on the generate, you will be able to see the result in a few seconds. So we have to wait for a few seconds. So in this way, you can generate your cartoonish image on the Vidnoz AI website. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.